Let's take a look at how the MatrixAlgo X5 indicator works in a live market and how to properly configure its settings. First, open the XAUUSD gold chart. Then switch the time frame to 15 minutes, as this indicator performs optimally on the 15 minutes time frame. Next, go to the Indicators section, navigate to the Invite Only tab and select MatrixAlgo X5. Click on it once to apply it to your chart. Once applied, you will notice that the indicator appears along with the super trend. To make the chart cleaner and easier to analyze, click on the Settings icon, go to the Style tab and uncheck the unnecessary items. After doing that, you will still see the super trend line. Since we want a clearer view of the signals, you can also disable the super trend from click on the Settings icon, go to the Input tab and uncheck the super trend. Now the chart will display the signals more clearly. You can observe how the buy and sell signals are generated, how the take profit levels are hit, and how the indicator automatically marks when take profit or stop loss is triggered. Now let's understand how the stop loss works. The stop loss is calculated using an algorithmic system. Typically, it is derived from recent high and low levels. However, in some cases, the indicator automatically selects the second swing high or swing low instead of the first one. This adjustment is based on the market's fair value gap. Because of this dynamic calculation, the stop loss may sometimes appear slightly larger for certain signals, depending on market conditions. Sometimes what happens is a fair value gap zone comes in, hits the stop loss, and then the market goes back in the direction of the trend. That means if the market is in a buy trend, a sell stop loss candle forms, hits the stop loss, and then continues moving upward. I'll show this on the chart. Now, the stop loss and take profit are taken by an algorithmic system. Looking at this signal, even though the take profit was hit, if we had placed the stop loss at the first swing low of this fair value gap, the stop loss would have been hit. So, if we had taken the stop loss at this level, which is the first swing low, it would have definitely been triggered. After that, the market moves back into the uptrend. To automatically avoid this situation, what the system does is, instead of placing the stop loss at the first swing low, it moves it to the second swing low. It calculates this together with the fair value gap and automatically adjusts the stop loss when necessary. So in this case, the buy position continues beyond this point, and the system automatically captures that movement. If the stop loss had been placed here, it would have been hit. That's the unique advantage of this compared to other indicators. The stop loss adjusts automatically, and the take profit also changes automatically. All of these adjustments are made based on the market's movement. In addition to that, you can see that the win rate here is 89.3%. On this chart, you can also clearly see the market trend, whether it's a buy or sell trend, whether it's a bullish market or a bearish market. At the same time, you can view the total number of signals generated. There are 29 signals in total. Out of those, 25 are in profit, 3 are losses, and 1 is still pending, since this is a live market. The number of pips is also shown here. You can see the total pips, loss pips, and won pips. Everything is displayed so you can calculate it yourself. If you want to customize any settings, you can do that as well. Settings can be adjusted based on different currency pairs according to your preference. Once you configure it, you can start trading. There's no issue. By trading with MatrixAlgo X5, you can aim for consistent wins and achieve good profits without any knowledge. MatrixAlgoX.com, your success starts here. Achieve trading. Success even without prior experience. Start your journey today with a 3-day free trial. No card details required. Visit our website, MatrixAlgoX.com, and explore the power of smart, algorithm-driven trading. Discover advanced features, real-time signals, and customizable settings designed to help you trade with confidence. Start your journey today and take your trading to the next level. Good luck.